I have lived a long, wonderful life, and these are the 7 rules I vow to live by. Number 1. Know thyself, understand your own strengths and weaknesses. Number 2. Nothing in excess, avoid excess in all things, including pleasures and possessions. Number 3. Surety brings ruin, do not be overconfident in your decisions. Number 4. Wisely discern time and opportunity, be aware of the right time and place to act. Number 5. Fame is fleeting, do not seek fame or reputation above all else. Number 6. Embrace change, accept that change is a natural part of life. Number 7. Be true to yourself, practice what you preach, and be true to your beliefs.